So that staff that I was using, a simple staff for checking the levels, I use a self-leveling, it's only self-leveling when it's switched into the self-leveling position. I'll use a Leica Lino Cross laser, and also use a receiver. Now this is a typical receiver for a red laser, and the reason why I use that is because it's really difficult to see lasers green or red, especially in bright sunlight. So it's a simple, very simple device. It's just a piece of batten. That's all we need, any piece of batten. I like to use 2x1 or 50x25 because it fits this either way when you're clamping it up, my receiver. So we just want to make sure we've got a decent square end on one end of that. Let's just get that sorted out first. Let's just run that across there. Then we want a couple of bits of OSB. We want something for the bottom. Now, our trenches are 600 finished. So if we have something around about 400 or 450, that'll be absolutely ideal. Let's pop that on there like that. And it wants to be around about 75 mil or thereabouts. It doesn't have to be any bigger or any smaller. I think this is always about right. We want a little bit of, this is for the base. And then we're going to want a triangle. It's nice to have a straight edge for this piece. And what we want to do is just make ourselves a nice little triangle. Where's my pencil gone? Back in the pouch. And this holds it all together. And again, this can just be a triangle, any length triangle. Let's just make it around about 250. And we'll stick that through. Yeah. Put a centre line down that. It's only for when we put it together. We want to keep it nice and square. It's only a triangle. You could freehand cut this. It doesn't have to be anything special. But as long as you've got a nice straight edge there. And then we want to just whack it together and put that in the middle there. Again, it's only and then we use the triangle just to stiffen it all up on the back. We'll go the centre line straight down the middle. It'll keep it somewhere near square as well. So my centre line with the middle of the batten. That will stiffen it all up. And that's it. So you set your laser up, you turn it on, you put your staff on, you can bolt this on here. And this has got either a sounder, if you really like that annoying beep, and we'll turn that on, and and we can level it up. And that's it. We can just walk off and it's a really useful, simple device, and for a building job like this, I'll be using this all the time. And you could, as I said before, if you try to use just a batten or a piece of stick when the concrete's wet, it's just going to push into it. With something like this, you've got a bit of body to it. It will sit on that foundation and it will be absolutely perfect. And there we have it, a simple staff.